Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating vehicle accident preventing system with help of alcohol sensor and eye-blink sensor. So these two sensors interface to the PIC microcontroller. PIC microcontroller will read the data for every 300 milliseconds of duration, and whenever the abnormal conditions occurred from these two sensors, the status will be displayed on the LCD and alert buzzer will be blown, and this motor indicating as an engine will be off. So when you switch on the kit, automatically this motor will be on and buzzer will beeps for 2 times, indicating as the kit got initialized one. So here we are using PIC microcontroller of PIC 16F72, and this is 20 MHz crystal oscillator, and there is a reset button and 10 kilo ohm resistor for pull up at master clear button, and there is a capacitor and power LED indication, and these 5 pins are programming pins to load the program into the PIC microcontroller. And here one LED will be there, so this light is the program indication, so it will blinks when the kit is working on. So whenever the abnormal condition occurred, so this motor will be off and the status will be displayed on the LCD. What is the status? Nothing but either alcohol or drowsiness detection. So in order to start the motor again, we need to restart the system by pressing this button. And the buzzer board is a 5 volt piezo buzzer, and this is a transistor to on and off this buzzer. So here also same board, but instead of buzzer we connected the DC motor. Transistor purpose is same to on and off this motor. If these 5 pins, these 3 pins are plus, minus and outputs. And coming to the LCD, so we are using 16:2 LCD. So it has a 8 pins plus minus register selection, enable and 4 data bits. So let us see the demonstration. So when you switch on the kit, hold this button at least for 5 to 6 seconds, then this alcohol sensor will be initialized. So otherwise if you release that, so it make you the abnormal value like alcohol detection. So now it's okay, it's normal condition. So now we need to mount the eye-blink sensor. So whenever you eyes closed at least of 1 second, 1 second, right, when you close that, so the motor will be off and drowsiness detection will be displayed on the LCD, as well as coming to the alcohol. Okay, so the marker consists of alcohol also. So just when you show the marker near the alcohol sensor, alcohol detected. If you can want to show other thing, like you can show the surgical spirit also for alcohol purpose. So then the motor will be off. So in order to start it again, press and release the reset button and it will be on. Thank you.